Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 12, Lesson 70. Some commas have one special job, keeping the parts of a date, an address, or a name and title from running together. These rules look fussy, but they're really just a few clear patterns. Once you see them, they're easy to spot. Commas for dates, addresses, and titles. Rule 1 is for dates. When a date gives the month, the day, and the year, put a comma between the day and the year, and another comma right after the year. Look here. On July 4th, 1776, the colonies declared. There's a comma after 4 before the year, and a comma after 1776 before the sentence keeps going. Month, day, comma, year, comma. A comma on each side of the year. But here's the catch. When a date gives only a month and a year, with no day, you use no comma at all. They married in July 1776. Just July and 1776 sit side by side with nothing between them. So remember, a day in the date means commas, but a bare month and year stay joined. No day, no comma. Rule 2 is for addresses. When a state or country follows a city, put a comma between them, and another comma right after the state. Austin, Texas is the capital. There's a comma after Austin and a comma after Texas, fencing the state in on both sides. The same goes for a street and a city. 412 Cedar Lane, Austin. A comma sits between each part. Rule 3 is for a title or degree after a person's name, like MD or PhD. Set it off with a pair of commas, one on each side. Maria Cruz, MD, spoke first. A comma comes after the name, and a comma comes after the degree, just like an interrupter we met before. The title is tucked between two commas. Name, comma, title, comma. So here's your quick check. Ask 3 things. First, is there a full date with month, day, and year? If so, a comma before and after the year, but a bare month and year take none. Second, does a state or country follow a city? If so, a comma on each side of the state. Third, is there a degree or title after a name? If so, set it off with commas. A date, a place, a title. Run those 3 and you'll place these commas right. Let's try a few. In this first set, pick the version that uses commas correctly with a date, an address, or a title. Picture each rule as you read. Pause and try each one before I answer. Her birthday is January 12th, 2012. We have a month, a day, and a year. So a comma must separate the day from the year. January 12th, 2012. The second version drops it, so the answer is the first one. A degree after a name gets a comma on each side. Samantha Marsh, DDS, is our dentist. The first version fences the degree in correctly. The second leaves it bare, so the answer is the first one. Here we have only a month and a year with no day. That means no comma at all. September 2024. The first version sneaks one in by mistake, so the answer is the second one. 3 more. Same idea. Pick the version with the commas in the right places. Watch the line between a city and its state. Pause and try each one before I answer. A comma comes after the street and after the city, but never between the state and the zip code. So it's Chicago, IL 60617, with no comma before the numbers. The second version misplaces it, so the answer is the first one. When the sentence keeps going after the state needs a comma on both sides. Cairo, Illinois, is named for Cairo, Egypt. The second version forgets the comma after Illinois, so the answer is the first one. A comma separates the name from the degree that follows it. Ricardo Flores, PhD. Since the degree ends the sentence, one comma does the job. The second version leaves it out, so the answer is the first one. Let's wrap up. 3 special comma jobs. First, in a full date, put a comma before and after the year. July 4th, 1776. But a bare month and year, like July 1776, take no comma. Second, when a state or country follows a city, fence it with a comma on each side. Austin, Texas. And third, set off a degree or title after a name with commas. Maria Cruz, MD. A date, a place, a title. Learn those 3 patterns and these commas will never trip you up again. Great work.